y'all? Welcome back to Shadowing Me. Make sure y'all watch the video to the end. Help him monetize his channel. Appreciate it. Shadow sniffing the little plants. What is that exactly you smelling, bro? Come here. Yeah, good boy. What's up, man? How you doing? Good. Good.
How about yourself?
I'm all right.
This is my first day here, man.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's lit.
Yeah, man, it's pretty cool.
Okay, it's fine.
Yeah, man, it's really empty right now.
I know.
They were supposed to have a
There was like a little summer party thing.
Yeah.
They canceled it because of the I guess
the
it's gonna rain.
Wet, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey. Shadow. Stop being so. He's a butthole, man.
He's a what?
A butthole.
We go to Barcade like every day.
Oh, okay, yes.
Yeah, but I just wanted to kind of mix it up. We can't play with toys there. I got like a soccer ball and a frisbee and stuff. So he gets to kind of get out, get some exercise, play with toys.
It'd be a lot of dogs at Barcade, don't it?
Oh man, it is. Most days is packed, especially weekends. Woo woo woo. Yeah, it's fun though. I mean, they get to like socialize a lot. I don't know how busy this place gets, but
if you come about 7 o'clock in the morning, people be out there. It'd be a lot.
Really?
Yeah.
That early, huh?
Yeah. 7 to like 9. What time is it? 10. Yeah. How long you been here?
We got here. I want to say like right at 9.
Oh, okay. They wasn't here at all today.
Nobody was here.
Yeah, Saturday they usually be here.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. So what? People come up early, and then it dies off after.
Around about 6 in the afternoon. That's the only time I ever caught a lot of people here at once.
Right.
But other than that, we just come throughout the day. But yeah. Most of the time, people don't be here.
No kidding. All right.
When we come. By the time we get here, yeah. But I know that's the main hours, 6, 7 o'clock, 8.
Huh.
And at 6 p.m.
PM?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, I wasn't sure. I don't know. I mean, I figured it was just the weather kind of maybe keeping
Definitely
folks at home.
and that's another thing. They're still.
And there's like some big protest going on right now or some bullshit.
Yeah.
Maybe people are up with that too.
Yeah. What's
He's an old Chihuahua, but he thinks he's a little puppy though. So that's Moose.
Moose.
That's Bambino.
Bambino.
Yeah. He thinks he's a big dog. He has a lot of big dog energy, though he's really tiny.
Yeah.
You know what? They both go to Barcade. I just wanted to mix it up. And, you know,
I think that's cool. We was gonna start off going to Borte. We had took him up there one day, and it's a lot of dogs, and he wasn't socialized at all at the time. So.
Right.
Yeah.
Kind of takes a while. He was pretty quiet when we first like started going there, but now he thinks he's the king of Barcade. Good guy. Yep.
Moose. Yeah. Hey, Moose.
He's tired. We've been going pretty hard.
Shadow, he don't run and chase the ball or anything.
Really?
Yeah, he don't. Yeah.
This guy, he loves his soccer ball and he loves his frisbee. He will go after it again and again.
Hey, yeah. Good boy, Shadow. Good boy, Shadow.
Got a new friend to play with now?
Nobody has been here today since you've been here from.
We got here like probably got here like 8:45. No one was
That's
here.
crazy.
I know. I was like, it's probably like 75 degrees out. It's not raining. I mean, the ground's a little wet, but you know, it's perfect day to get out.
This your first day. This is, you know what? Did you get that email?
Joan?
Yeah, saying that
well, she said something earlier in the week that they're gonna have some like summer welcome or kickoff or something, and then this morning at 7:30 she sent another one out saying they're gonna cancel because of weather. But
yeah, that's what I got. But that don't usually stop the whole thing. They probably got under the assumption that the whole park is closed. But yeah, because usually, yeah, people will be here by now.
Good for us.
Yeah.
We're loving it. We even went down to the little acrobatic part too. I don't know if you're supposed to go in there, but I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna go check it out. You know? It's pretty cool.
Little bonding training.
Yeah, he likes shit like that. They got a little tunnel and a little acrobatic board. It's neat.
Shadow, I should be able to pet other dogs.
What's your name, brother?
Larry.
Larry? Jordan.
Jordan, all right.
Nice to meet you.
Same to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shadow got a YouTube channel. It's called Shadow.
Really?
Yeah, Shadow and Me.
That's awesome, dude.
Yeah.
Bruce, you're gonna be on the internet.
2,600 subscribers, man.
Serious? That's pretty good, dude. That's awesome. You wanna get that soccer ball? Are you too tired? Oh, now we're gonna eat grass. Okay.
I seen another dog eating grass. That's something else that Shadow has not. I never seen him doing it.
He doesn't really do it a lot. I suspect. I've been looking into the research, and it seems that if you, like reports from friends making like a home, like cooked, like not raw dog food, but just like a home style, like fresh dog food, like like rice, chicken, carrots, peas, pumpkin. Give them that. Apparently, it just makes the coat really pop, and they kind of get. I think just eating hard food all the time, they just don't get like the full scope of nutrients. So I wanna kind of break that up and give him like half of his meal can be, like kibble for their teeth to get like tartar off, and the rest he can have, like human grade chicken and rice and just various vegetables.
That's smart, man. Yeah.
I'll put some vitamins and shit in there. I was looking into it. It seems like if you do both, you can kind of get everything that they might need.
Did you have you ever gave them some eggs?
Oh yeah, they fucking love. They love eggs.
Oh, okay,
dude.
yeah.
There's a guy I work with. His family has a chicken farm. Every Wednesday he brings in like cartons of eggs, $3 a carton, which is a great deal. Farm fresh. And I cook them eggs. Like I don't do it all. I pretty much do it on the weekends with these guys.
Hey, Moose. One more time. Gambino? No, what's
Bambino.
Bambino.
Yeah.
Look at the gangster Bambino.
I know.
Oh. I know.
Woo, woo, woo. Go say hi, Bambino.
I get it.
Better be nice, Moose.
Shadow. That's Shadow. Shadow.
Nice, Moose.
I know.
Woo, woo, woo.
I'm gonna walk down here right quick.
Yeah, go ahead, man.
What's your name?
Jordan.
Jordan. All right.
Larry, right?
Yep, yep. All right, Jordan.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
dude.
to meet you too.
All right. Where'd your soccer ball go, dude? Where'd that soccer ball go? We had it over here. What'd you do with your soccer ball?
Come on.
Down by the pool.
Hey, Moose.
I'm gonna go get that soccer ball.
Bambino. Hey, Bambino. Woo! Hey, Moose. Oh, good boy. I know it's wet, man. But we getting it in one time. One more time. I don't want you to fall. Come on. Up. I don't know about that one. No, I know about it. Come on. Up. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good boy. Well, here we go, Shadow. You had to do this right here, huh? Any bags off in this piece? All the way up. Good boy. Gonna walk all the way over here to get the dog. Let's see if I can find it. What was it? Oh, here we go. Oh, we just had a little bit today. Ugh. raining, y'all. Playing in the rain. Trip. Look at the rain, y'all. We in the rain. Shadow don't even care. You're gonna have to get a bath when you get home, bro. Can't have you smelling like wet dog. Come on, we ain't going in there today. We gotta go. Courtney out in the car and her window down. Caught in the rain. Shadowing me. Sorry the video gotta be shorter. Come on. I ain't Shadow. You getting soaked.
Yeah. I'm like,
all right, y'all. This is another episode of Shadow and me, and Courtney is wet. Shadow jumped in here. He was like, come on, let's roll. All right, y'all. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Hit that bell. And share. We'll holler at y'all in a minute. Peace.